My name is Nitin Garg. I lead our corporate and investment banking line of business. I've been with Evalueserve for over 20 years now. And my role is to work with our clients to help them do more, which means producing more output without increasing the team, producing better quality output, and producing things in a faster way. This we can achieve through process engineering, using some technologies, or simply looking at their existing workflows and making some changes to those workflows. We measure output of technology in 4 simple terms. We call it TQPC framework. T stands for turnaround time, quality, productivity, and new capabilities. So when we look at technology, we see, is it helping us improve turnaround time? Can it help me produce output better, better quality, more accuracy? Can I produce this in less time? And can this technology give me new capabilities which I did not have earlier? So this TQPC framework really helps look at how technology can help my existing processes. We started in 2003, 2004 with providing investment banking support to our clients. That's when we used to work with bankers to produce pitch books, comms. We used to hire people from top business schools who had very good understanding of how to analyze companies, industries, build financial models. And that's how we started the whole investment banking practice at Evalueserve. As we started growing, we realized that we could also support corporate banking divisions of the same bank. And the work was very similar. How can you look at a company and do financial analysis for giving loans to them? Next, we went into corporate banking line of business. That led us later on get into lending business, which is where we started working with commercial banking clients, providing loan underwriting, portfolio monitoring. Later on, we got into private equity, which is where we provide more deal sourcing, portfolio monitoring to our clients. If you look at all these lines of business, the underlying theme is that we do research and analytics, which requires very good understanding of companies, industries, looking at financials, building financial models, valuation models, and things like that. When we talk about transformation, generally clients hesitant of implementing any transformation in their processes. They feel that it is very disruptive. But when we at Evalueserve look at transformation, transformation does not mean changing the current processes completely. I think transformation can start some very basic automations. When we look at any process, we try to find out what are the low hanging fruits or low hanging tasks which you can automate using simple technologies. We have seen that using simple automations, one can improve process efficiency by 20 to 30%. Once we have looked at all such tasks which can be automated through simple technology, we look at more established platforms. At Evalueserve, we have built several platforms like Company Profile Builder or Comms Builder or Spread Smart, which can look at a process and then automate it completely end to end. Now, these tools require a little bit of effort at our clients' end in terms of implementation, assessing the security architecture and things like that. However, they result in significant savings for our clients. And lastly, with generative AI, I think there is a scope to look at the existing processes and reimagine or recreate those processes completely new. And that has potential of giving another 60 to 70% savings in their current processes. I would say start small, start simple, and then move to more complex things as you start achieving successes. Simple automations in repetitive processes, it could result into anywhere between 20 to 30% saving. Things like converting your Excel files, data from Excel files into PowerPoints. Analysts spend a lot of time copying and pasting data from Excel files into your PowerPoints. All of that can be automated with very simple tools. It allows analysts to spend more time on analysis rather than just simple copy paste. It can result into anywhere between 20 to 30% time saving in simple, repeatable tasks. Every bank has cost challenges. Every bank wants to do more. There are only few ways in which you can do more with the same cost. Technology is very key element in doing more with the same. The other challenge banks face is how to bring work-life balance in their analyst team. Bankers work 80 to 100 hours a week very frequently. Because of this, we have also seen bankers not choosing to work with investment banks and going to alternative industries. Some of our clients also face challenges in attracting talent because of the work-life balance. Our technology, some of our tools can really help bankers become more productive. Using Evalueserve, bankers don't need to work 80 hours a week. Some of the output they can get either through the use of technology or use of Evalueserve teams, making better use of time zone difference. Bankers can get things faster, and hopefully that results in better work-life balance for our clients. And Evalueserve can help our clients manage some of those challenges. For example, using technology, we can help our clients do more without increasing their cost structure. These technologies can also help bankers get access to right information right on their desktop, which allows them to not work 80 hours a week, but still produce the same amount of work. I don't see these challenges going anytime soon. Banks will continue to have cost pressures. And I think the only way banks can manage these pressures is embracing more and more technology and start looking at their existing processes and how through technology those processes can become better. From my perspective, clients are looking for excellent quality of output in right time at the right price. And if you can deliver all of that together, clients will be happy. The way we achieve this is we ask our analysts to look at what clients are asking for. We train our analysts to talk to our clients and understand what they are really looking for. Because unless you solve that real problem, clients will never be happy. We also train our analysts and understand their deadlines and make sure that we keep our clients always updated about those deadlines and we meet those deadlines. And then from a cost perspective, using technology, process re-engineering, we always try to do more with what clients have been doing in past with the same cost structure. When our clients have a problem statement and they reach out to our teams, they themselves are not very clear as to what they are looking for. We train our teams to engage with those clients to understand or define the problem better. We work with our clients to understand the problem and devise ways in which that problem can be solved. So we really work with our clients as partners. In many cases, the solution is not very evident when clients reach out to us. But then through the partnership approach, we try to solve that problem along with our clients. We also encourage our teams to come up with ideas. And many of those ideas sometimes translate into technology, tools, and products which we implement across clients. But essentially, we encourage a lot of innovative problem-solving culture within our teams.